Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, June 16th, 2019, and it's weigh-in day. So as you guys know, I took a trip to Denver this week. It was an 8-hour drive up, and then I was there for 4 days, and then it was an 8-hour drive back. We ate as best we could, but we had to be in restaurants every single time, and so we definitely ate a little higher fat probably, and maybe even higher protein than what we would normally eat on fat loss macros. And of course, when I got home, the scale was up to 183.6, not surprising. Yesterday, I got on the scale and I was at 179.8. So let's see what I weighed in today, and we'll talk about it. Yesterday was 179. I hate the scale, it's so irritating. So as you can see, today the scale was back up to 183 point something. I can't even remember at this point. And you know, that's the story of my life. I am the queen of water weight gain and loss, and so I guess it doesn't really surprise me, though it did irritate me, as you probably heard from the clip. I usually don't get too ticked off at the scale, but I have to admit I was a little bit frustrated this morning. But you know what? It is what it is. I know I didn't make any mistakes since I've come home. I've been back on my fat loss macros. I've been super careful. So I'm not super worried about it or anything. I am a little frustrated with the scale just because it doesn't reflect what I think it should reflect. And I don't usually like that feeling, but also, I have no control over that. I have there's nothing I can do about the number that it's on the scale. Only thing I can do is to just eat what I know works and trust that I know it works, because I have proof now from the DEXA scans that it works even when I overeat. So we all know I didn't put on any fat during my trip this week, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. But it is Father's Day, and I am heading to a barbecue to celebrate my dad and my husband and spend some time with family. So I don't want to make this too long. I hope all of you out there are having a wonderful Father's Day. Don't forget to hug the fathers in your life and to appreciate them for what they offer you, what they've done for you, even if your relationship isn't as healthy as it could be. Make an effort today to move in a healthy direction if it's not. So I'm going to take my leave of you guys. Don't forget to check all of the links in the About section below. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment so that I can see who is here and who is watching my videos. I love that, and it makes making videos so much more fun when I know that people are watching it and I get to hear what they say and what they think. So don't forget to do that, and we'll talk to you all again soon.